Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and welcome to the wigs I wore in April. So if you're following along with my channel, and I hope you are, and if you're new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Every month I do a little recap of a few of the wigs I chose in the previous month. So this is a look at 10 of the styles I chose to wear in April. Now, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all of these wigs, you know that. So I'm just going to show you these really quickly. This is going to be short, but if you will look in the drop down box below this video, there will be links to the full video review of all of these. If you want to see outside video of the color, in-depth discussion of the style, the cap, all of that, that's in the full review, and that will be linked below. Okay, let's take a look at some of the wigs I wore in April. Let's start out with what I have on. Raquel, Welch, Upstage, and Shaded Biscuit. Still one of my favorite wigs. I still love it. I've had it forever. I have it in I don't know how many colors. I've lost count. I have it in reds, blondes, you name it. I have this wig in those colors. It just works for me. This is one of my favorite styles. I love the length of this. I love the long sweeping bang. I love the cap. There's nothing I don't love about Upstage. It's just a perfect length. You know, sometimes you just find a wig that you say, that's just me. That has been the case with this wig for me. I have just enjoyed it. I continue to enjoy it. If you haven't tried Upstage, I would just say give it a try. It is just one of the most wonderful wigs. I'll show you the inside of the cap real quick. Now the wig cap and grip I'm wearing, this wig grip is from Wig Studio One. I'll link it below. I also wear an open-ended mesh wig cap, and I have a video all about how I get my hair ready for for wigs, and I will link that below too. We won't go into all that, but just to give you a quick look at this cap, hand tied, lace front, partial hand tied. There is wefting in the back here, but it is a beautiful cap design. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I will say Upstage fits me snug, so if that's any indication for you, but yes, it does fit me snug. All right, let's see. Next, let's look at Belle Tress Bona Vita in Root Beer Float Blonde. Another fun style. I wore this in April several times, as a matter of fact. Lace front, mono part. It's open wefted. Like I said, full review down below. Don't want to go into all of that on these just quick little videos. Okay, now Bona Vita. Such an easy to wear style. Let me grab a comb here. Super sleek. I don't have a mirror in the back, so just bear with me, but just a super sleek style, very, very popular. Again, this color is Root Beer Float Blonde. I like the profile of this. Really pretty. I think this is one of the best sellers for Belle Tress, and I can see why. Again, now, even though this is an open cap, it is super, super low density here. Just really easy to wear. I think most face shapes can wear this wig, and it has a nice length here. So I have Bona Vita, I think, in a red also. Yeah, it's just another one of those wigs that I feel like works in lots of different colors. Just a really nice one to have in your wig closet. All right, now let's move on to an Ellen Villa. This is Coco, and the color is Champagne Rooted. All right, short, easy to wear style, has a lace front. There is permatease here. Just let you know that. Just a short, fun style, easy. I love these kind I can just pull out of the box and wear. This one is super short, super spiky. Of course, like I said, if you watch my channel, you know that's just something I enjoy. Let me grab some water. Hang on. This is just casual, y'all. This is not like a formal wig review. This is just us talking about some wigs that I have worn during the month. But, you know, I mean, how can you go wrong here, right? You just throw it on. I sprayed that with just a little water. You could put some styling cream in this. You can do just, I mean, now how does it get really any easier than that? I like this little bang on this wig. Yeah. Really fits really nicely at the nape, I think. Yeah. Like it. Coco and champagne rooted. All right. This is going to be quick. I told you I'm going to move right along through these. Now, this is a wig that I hadn't reached for in a while, so I decided to wear it this month. This is Estetica Sky RH1488 RT8. Show you the top here. Open wefted. It has an open nape here. Lace front. Again, a sleek style. Really another popular style for Estetica. This one fits me pretty large. I have it taken in, but again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this one does, but most Estetica designs do fit me a little large. If you're looking for something long, you want something long, have a look at this one. Again, super popular for them. I can see why. It's low density, it's sleek, it's just got it all. It has enough length that there's a lot of styling possibilities here. Let's see. You could put this in a low ponytail. Layers around the face. Yeah, I just think this works. RH1488 RT8. Again, you could do a lot of styling with this. It's open and wefted, so it's breathable. It has a lot going on. A lot going for it. I like it. So I enjoyed wearing that this month. I hadn't reached for that in a while. All right. Now, okay, I wear this wig a good bit. I don't talk about it that much because it hasn't been available. And you know, a lot of times things just aren't, you know, they're sold out, they're hard to get. But it is my understanding that this is more available now. And this is Raquel Welch Wavy Day. And mine is in shaded cappuccino. I love this color so much. Look at this mono feature. And extended lace front. Has the memory cap. And one of the most popular styles that's come out in a long time. Like I said, I wear this a good bit, but I don't talk about it a lot because, like I said, it hasn't been readily available. But I understand that's changing. I've seen lots of people saying they're able to get Wavy Day. Now, I think this is gorgeous if you love long hair. There are times I want long hair. I don't always wear long hair, as you know. I love. We just looked at the shortest of short pixies. That is awesome. But there are times if I'm going somewhere, I want something a little longer. This fits the bill for me. And I think a lot of people, that's why it is so very popular. And it just works. It's just a longer style that just is beautiful with these waves. Like I said, I don't have a mirror in the back, but we'll take a look at it. Again, a great wig for styling. You can wear this off your face, pull it back, put it in a half up and half down easily. You know, this is a good evening wig, like, just because you can do so much with it. You know, that's what I think. I have worn it mostly like out to dinner. I had an event not long ago I wore it to, and I wore a pin, a rhinestone pin in it, and really dressed it up. So it is versatile. It is a popular style for a reason, for sure. And I think you might be able to get it now. So if you've been wanting the Wavy Day, have a look, see if you can find it in your color. I just don't think you'll be sorry that you got it. I really don't. Okay. This is another popular wig that came out this year that I keep reaching for. Gabor Trend Alert and Shaded Iced Cappuccino. Extended lace front, mono part. Did you see that? Open wefted. Isn't this color just so cute? I love this color. This is just shattered. Messy hair, which, you know, I love. I don't like my wigs too fixed. I don't like my hair too fixed. That's just my way. And y'all keep in mind, this is all just my opinion. It is just my opinion. It certainly doesn't have to be your opinion. And I respect your opinion, and I hope you do mine as well. We can all have different opinions about our hair. That is the beauty of this wig journey. You can wear what you want. Please do. Please wear what you want, what you feel beautiful in. Don't let anybody discourage you from wearing what you want to wear. Just whatever you want to wear and you think, oh, I like that, that makes me feel good, wear it. This has been popular, like I said, I think just these shattered waves. Spraying it with water, plain water, and you can kind of separate this fiber, which I really like to do, and you're out the door. It really doesn't get much easier than that either, does it? All right, Trend Alert. Very, very popular style this year. I've seen it in some beautiful colors too. All right, moving on. This wig, y'all have seen it probably, I don't know how many months in a row. I always seem to pick up Flirt. Ellen Villa Flirt, caramel rooted, low density, sleek, beautiful. Okay, lace front, mono part, open wefted. I keep this as, you know, I have some wigs that I just keep out on a shelf that I know I can just reach for. This is one of them. I just know it's going to work no matter what I have on, no matter where I'm going. If I'm just going to run an errand and I just need to throw on some hair, I will grab this so many times. If I'm going to dinner, wherever, I just think it works for any occasion. It's a nice length, again, and it's very, very sleek. I really need to repurchase this one. I have worn this and worn it. I really want to get it in some different colors. You know, I've had this one for a very long time, and I think it's time to upgrade it and get it in a different color, so stay tuned for that. I may have that next time we talk. Now, another pretty new style, Raquel Welch Fierce and Focused SS Iced Pumpkin Spice. Love this color so much. Extended lace front, beautiful cap here. Partial hand-tied cap. There is wefting back here, but it does have the extended lace front. And again, full reviews down below. You know I love my reds, and this is definitely one of them. Another throw on and go style. Spray it with a little water, spike it up a little. Now, this is what I like. I like to be able to put it on like this. I put it behind my ears, one side back, one side going forward, spike up the top a little bit, and just run my comb through it just a little, and that's all there is to it. That's a nice nape on this. If you have hair that grows down a little bit on your neck, this is perfect because it does have this nape that is a little longer. Yeah, I like that. SS Ice Pumpkin Spice. Very popular color. Really comfortable style there. Okay, just a couple more. It seemed like this month I wore a lot longer styles. Sometimes, especially as it gets warmer now, as we move into June and July and August down here, I'll be wearing a lot of really short wigs. It gets super hot. This is Gabor Premium Luxury in Rusty Auburn. You've seen me show you this so many times. Mono top and lace front. What a pretty wig. Just beautiful. This Rusty Auburn is so pretty. Again, this one fits me pretty large. I have it pulled in a good bit, but just if you, just for your reference, if you are wondering about fit, again, I have a full review that talks about it in detail, but this one fits me a little large. But what a pretty style. Sleek, again, long enough, works with most face shapes. I just think it's beautiful. It has a little bit shorter bang here. And I also think you could really cut in some more layers around the face here if you would like. It has a lot. You can see that here. But you could do that even more if you wanted, but just a nice longer style. And one more. We're going to finish it up with Caliente and Sumptuous Strawberry. Sumptuous Strawberry, I think, is one of the most beautiful Belle Tress colors. This one is a new one. I just accidentally pulled this one off the shelf. I have this same wig, same color also that I was wearing. This one's brand new. Still has the tags on it. I had seen this on clearance, and by the way, all of these wigs are from Wig Studio One. Now, I found this on clearance one day and I grabbed it. I grabbed it so fast because I wanted to make sure I had a backup. So this is the new one. As you can see, it still has the crisscross in it. I haven't worn this one yet, but I have another one that I wore in April. So let me show you this. Again, lace front. Mono part. Now everybody knows Caliente, right? It's been around for quite a while now, but it's just a winner. It is. I have it in a blonde. I have it in red. I think I have root beer float blonde. I don't know. I know I definitely have it in some blonde shades. But like I said, this is the new one that I picked up on clearance. And keep your eye on that clearance section at Wig Studio One. It is definitely worth it. It is. You can get some really good buys. Like I said, still has the crisscross part. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to spray it in this color. Just gorgeous. This Sumptuous Strawberry. I think it is such a pretty color. I really do. If you like a red, I just don't think you can go wrong with this one. Again, just going to lightly run it through the back. Ah, so pretty. Like I said, this wig has been around a while for a reason. Such a good seller, so easy to wear, so pretty, so casual. So I had to pick it up again on that clearance section. Okay guys, that's what I got today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me lots of comments. Let's talk about these wigs. Which one of these have you tried? What colors have you tried? Which ones do you want to try? Let's talk about them. I really appreciate you joining me again. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.